Hello guys! In this video tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how to diamond lace on Nike Air Jordan 1 High. Let's start with standard lacing. Begin lacing your shoes from the bottom, going upwards. Make sure both ends of the lace are even. Insert each end of the lace into the bottom eyelets, ensuring they cross each other in the middle. And thread it through the right eyelet on the opposite side, and vice versa. Pull the laces tight. Create the first diamond. Now, take the left lace and thread it through the next available eyelet on the same side. Do the same with the right lace on its side. This creates the first diamond shape. Cross the laces again. Cross the laces over to the opposite side. Diamonds and repeat steps alternating sides until you reach the top of the shoe. Finish at the top. When you reach the top, tie loosely with the two ends of the lace.